Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're gonna write Chinese numbers from 1 to 5. According to my friends, they are very easy, even easier than writing English. So we start from number 1. It's just 1 like this. Done. Everybody can do this, isn't it? We write here 1. Use a pencil, will be like this. Job done. Number 2. Number 2 have 2 little strokes. The first one is shorter than the second one. As long as we remember that, we'll make no mistakes. So number 2, job done. Let's do it again. Remember the first one is shorter than the second one. First one, second one. Use a pen. Then number 3, the same rules apply. 3 strokes. The first one, second one, the third one. I think it looks better if the first one is longer than the one in the middle. So the longest at the bottom. So shortest, longer, longest. So we start again. Sorry. The shortest is in the middle. The one on the top is longer, and the longest is at the bottom. So a longer one, a shorter one, the longest one. Job done. We write in pencil again. Longer, shortest, the longest. Okay. In Chinese class, I remember in primary school, some students will have a brand with this on the arm with this number, which means they are like the team leader. And this one, if on their arm, especially, yes, they are red with a white background on the student's arm, which means they are the biggest leader of the whole class. Number 4 is a little bit more complicated than number 3, but still very easy. It comes like this. The first stroke from here. Second stroke from here. Kind of look like a square. Then coming down. Now comes to the most tricky parts. This kind of look like a goalkeeper, that thing, when you play football, isn't it? Third one? Oh, not the fourth one, sorry. Like that. Kind of like a little window, but no bottom. Let's write again. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, then it's kind of like, I don't know how to say this, but not a square. Square on the edges. Inside the door is not a square. It's like that. That's the tricky bits. 4. Okay. Let's write it again in pencil. The first one, second one, third one, they all square. This bit's square, square. Inside, tricky bits, not square, like a rainbow kind of thing. Then square, square, square. So this bit is not a square. Kind of like, let's write the inside again, like this. If you write this like a square, that'll be very wrong. So the tricky bits, just these two bits. As long as you can write these two bits like this, we're almost there. Okay, easy. So wipe this off. Don't want you to get confused. Then number 5. Come to number 5. First one, second one, third one, a square. Third one is a square. The last one, 5. Or if you want to, it comes here, even better. We write it again. Similar to number 3. This 3, similar. Shortest, longer, the longest. Then a square. This bit is a square. Just got something in the middle. Kind of in the middle. Square. Longest. Not that difficult, isn't it? Then first one, second one is square, coming down, drop down. Okay. From 1 to 5. Everybody can do this, isn't it? Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.